In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a project in Vercel. If you've got old test projects, outdated deployments, or you're just cleaning up your workspace, removing unused projects is a good way to stay organized and avoid confusion. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect and where to click. First, open your web browser and go to vercel.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account. Make sure you're in the correct team or personal account where the project you want to delete actually lives. It's easy to have multiple teams or scopes in Vercel, so a quick check here can save you from looking in the wrong place. Once you're on the Vercel dashboard, look for the section labeled Projects. Depending on your screen size and layout, this might appear in the main navigation bar at the top on the left-hand sidebar, or as a tab near the center of the page. Go ahead and click on Projects. This will take you to a list of all the projects associated with your current account or team. On the Projects page, you'll see a grid or list of your existing projects. Take a moment to carefully identify the project you want to delete. This is important because deleting a project in Vercel is a permanent action. You'll lose deployment, configuration, environment variables, and any associated previews for that project. So be sure you have the right one selected and that you don't need to keep anything from it. When you found the correct project, click on it to open its details page. This page usually shows an overview of recent deployments, settings, domains, and other configuration options. You don't need to change anything here. We're just going to use this page to access the delete option. Next, scroll down through the project's settings area. You may need to click on a settings tab if you're not already there. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled delete project or something very similar. This is typically placed near the bottom of the settings page, which is why scrolling is necessary. When you see the delete project button, pause for a second and make sure once more that this is definitely the project you intend to remove. If you're working in a team environment, it might be worth double checking with your teammates before you proceed. Now click the delete project button. Vercel will usually show a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental deletions. You might be asked to type the project name or confirm the action in a dialog window. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once you confirm, Vercel will permanently remove the project and its associated data from your account. After the deletion is complete, you'll be taken back to your list of projects, and the one you just removed should no longer appear there. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a project in Vercel by opening the dashboard, navigating to projects, selecting the correct project, and using the delete option in the settings.